Did you know you can turn your kitchen waste into rich compost in just 10 days? Yes, it is possible, and here is the secret hack. To make fast compost, you need the perfect balance of three things: green materials, brown materials, and microbes. The ideal ratio is equal portions of green and brown materials. Let us start with green material. Collect your daily kitchen waste like vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and leftover organic bits and chop them into small pieces. Smaller pieces break down faster, speeding up the composting process. Next comes the brown material. Take dry leaves and cut or crush them into smaller pieces as well. These help balance moisture and provide carbon, which is essential for composting. Now for the microbial boost. Take some soil or compost if compost is not available. Soil works just fine, and add a small amount of jaggery. This helps activate microbial activity, which is the key to fast decomposition. Once all your ingredients are ready, mix the green material, brown material, soil or compost, and jaggery thoroughly. Then transfer this mixture into an aerated bin. This ensures proper airflow, which is crucial for composting. Lightly mist the mixture with water to keep it moist, but not soggy. Place the bin in a shaded area, away from direct sunlight. Check it regularly, and whenever it feels dry, spray some water to maintain moisture. Now with the right balance, proper aeration, and regular moisture, your compost will be ready in just 10 days. It will look like this and ready to use for plants. Try this simple method at home and turn your waste into something truly valuable. I hope this information will help you, and for any query, just write us in comment box, and we will answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.